From this
to this. Tara contacted Signature Home Services for a complete exterior transformation, not just her siding, but her roof as well. It turned out great, but don't take our word for it. Let's hear from Tara.
Okay, I would say my initial appointment with Signature Home Services went really well. Brandon was great to work with. He always got back to me very quickly. He walked me through all the options. If I had any questions, he was there to answer everything I needed. As far as the production team and just how everything was going to get started, everything was very clear and laid out. It was in emails. I knew exactly what I needed to do to prepare for the teams to come and get their job done. And yeah, there were no surprises. The installation crew was amazing. I actually have been raving about them because you hear so many horror stories about people actually showing up and just all of it. So yes, they showed up on time, if not a little bit early. They were always here. They were always super respectful. They worked their butts off and did a phenomenal job. I highly recommend Signature Home Services for any home project, and I already have been recommending them. So yes, very happy with the whole experience.